My name is Naomi and I'm a trainer here at ABC. Me and the trainers provide assistance and support to students while they're doing their workshops. I'm also fluent in sign language, so AUSLAN, and I teach basic sign language to students.
So if you're a paramedic, say I'm a paramedic.
I started working here after I completed my Diploma of Paramedical Science here at APC and do clinical placement at the Western Australia Billabong Gold Mines, where I treated on-site patients and underwent emergency rescue training. I'm also an active member of Surf Life Saving, have been for about 2 years. So workshops are important because students are able to get hands-on and apply their clinical knowledge skills in real-life situations. The most exciting thing when working with students would be seeing them develop their clinical skills, how much they learn and how much confidence it gives them at the end when they finish their workshop. The best thing about working here at ABC would definitely be the environment. All the trainers are here for the same purpose, and that is to help the students.